signed up for this job tonight.
Sit down, no man, I work with them, I say.
On June 4th, 2024, police observed a moving car with somebody's legs literally sticking out of the sunroof, clearly driving while hyped up on some kind of insane influence.
Switch off the vehicle.
They would quickly learn that it was actually an Uber driver, and not only was this man driving without a care, but he also had 3 whole drunk human beings in the singular front seat of his car. Of course, this qualifies as reckless driving, and he was quickly arrested. And as much as that should have been the end of the night, our Jamaican officer would come to find out that this was far from the real threat.
You, young lady, you are the one who had your foot through the sunroof. You step out the vehicle. Yeah man, you.
Me?
Of course you. You are the one who had your foot out through the sunroof of the vehicle. So step out of the vehicle. Yeah man, straight up.
What shoe? That's what I'm saying. What shoe?
4, I'm good, thank you. So 1 blackmail detained. You step out the vehicle.
There's a latch right here, sir.
Step out the vehicle. You want me to pull out the vehicle? You want to pull out the vehicle?
As you can see, there is clear resistance to follow instructions. And while we thought that maybe she was just being difficult, we would learn that this woman is unlike anything we've ever seen before.
Yes, you can help her out. You can help her out.
That's a negative, I'm good.
You got her and help her out. Yes, help out. Leave it.
No, I'm going to keep it on me. Why? I didn't do nothing wrong.
No, you are fine. You are fine. You are fine.
So if it's okay in the state of Georgia to have your foot hanging through the sunroof of a vehicle while it is in motion,
What do you want
is that
to do?
okay?
Hold on, sir. I'm
Excuse me?
I'm her blood brother. Can you please tell me why you acting her to
Get away from here, dude.
Hold on, that's not the point. Don't talk to me.
Hey,
Talk to me like
listen to me.
talk to me.
You're round.
You do what you need
Get
to
back.
I'm the police here.
Don't you grab my arm.
That's the point.
Bro, don't grab my arm like that, OG. Don't grab my arm like
stop
that.
me.
Yeah, calm back up. Do what you need to do. Don't call me. Don't do it. I tried to tell him. Get the off me. 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 Bro, I didn't even do shit.
You might not have
I
used that
didn't
one
even do shit. Get off me. I didn't even do shit. Get off me. Get off me. I didn't even do shit. I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. Get off me.
Where's my other hand?
I ain't do shit. Get off me. I ain't do shit. Get off me.
Get back!
I have an attorney.
Yeah man, just relax.
My attorney's finna sue you. OG, my attorney's finna sue you. My attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. My attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. I got an attorney on retainer. I got an attorney on retainer. That's why.
You okay?
Get the f off my arms. Get off of my arms,
I
bro.
got one resisting.
Get off of my
I
arms.
have already chained at this point. Just need another unit so I could put on cuffs.
I just have it found now right away.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Are you working?
I will fuck you up. I will fuck you up tonight.
At this point, it's evident that resisting arrest is not working, and so she resorts to making threats to the life of the officer. But unfortunately for her, she would come to learn that this would be the biggest mistake of her life.
I will fuck you up tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight.
Start me doing it, radio. Resisting.
Get the f off me. Get the f off me. I ain't do shit wrong. Get the f off me. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Give me a reason.
Hey, you back away. Step away from the police car.
Get the f off me. Get the fuck, he's wrong as
Hey.
You know you wrong as
Hey.
You know you wrong. Record me. No. You know you wrong as Back up.
Step away, alright?
No.
Step to the side.
He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. You know you wrong as You know you wrong as Back the fuck up. You know you No. Babe, back up for me. Babe, I know the law. I went to college. I took business law. This nigga wrong as fuck. You ain't got me for nothing. You ain't got me. Get the fuck off me, bitch. You ain't got me for nothing. Break my nails if you want to. I'll break your motherfucking face right now. I'll break your motherfucking face right now.
I'm begging you.
Yeah. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do.
Stop.
Do what you need to do. Cause you know you wrong as fuck. You know you lost your job today.
Step over there. You step over there.
You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job today.
Hey, don't let me
You
go.
know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job
Don't let me
today.
chase you.
You did. Cause you
Don't let
wrong
me
as
chase you.
fuck. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Babe, stop calling my name. Stop calling. Don't touch my name. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker.
You can't do it. You can't do it. Yes. 1, 2, 3. You said you gotta be still. You gotta be still. I know.
Stop talking.
I understand.
Stop talking. Stop talking to me.
I understand.
Stop talking to me.
Yes, you have to be quiet. That shit ain't making no sense.
And you know you going to speak.
Hey, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
My attorney.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm good.
126.
I'm not. I've never been resisting this whole time. I've never
Stop
been
resisting. Stop resisting.
After digging herself a hole deeper than one could conceive, backup would arrive. But even these extra officers would learn that they might not be enough to contain this absolute nutcase.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Turn around.
I'm good. He's pulling my hand.
Come
He's
on,
pulling my hand.
put on your vehicle for me. I got one in my car already.
I have my attorney
Yeah, put
on
down your
retainer.
Please,
It's
a little
okay. I have
grace.
my attorney on retainer.
A little grace. I haven't
Okay, I
done.
have my
I haven't
attorney on
done.
retainer. I
I
have my
will take
attorney
every
on
test
retainer.
y'all got, y'all. I will take it
I was not in
home.
danger. I was never hurting him.
Before you can slow down the
Hold on,
units,
mom. He's
I
coming.
got a
back for you.
female detained, male detained. Right in the driver's seat of the vehicle. What are you doing in the driver's seat of the
You know
vehicle?
why?
Get
Because
out
I
of the
stepped
driver's
out to
seat.
try to talk to her.
Get out of the driver's seat.
Okay.
Get out of the
Where do you
driver's
want me to
seat.
go? Where do you want me to go?
Go back where you were before. Get out of the driver's seat of the vehicle.
You're gonna kill me right
Are you the
before-
driver? Are you the
No,
driver?
you know that I'm
Get out
not.
of the driver's seat.
Okay. Okay, you know that I'm not. I can't because that's my
So where you going to
that's my
driver's
blood
seat?
sister.
Step
Because
over
I
there,
came
man. You go over
out.
there. You go over there. Basically, I'm charged with obstruction, reckless conduct. Yeah, maybe not reckless conduct, but obstruction. Alright. So basically, sitting at our mill, see this car pull up, see a female, 2 foot hanging through the roof of the vehicle. So they saw me at our mill.
The sunroof?
Saw me at our mill, they turned out to our mill. While they were turning out, I realized there are 3 people in the front of the vehicle.
The what?
3 people in the front of the vehicle.
In the front? Okay.
So I pull over, came down, pull over driver, have him detained, told her to step out of the vehicle, talking to her.
Which one? This one or this one?
No man, this one. Ask her if that's the conduct of somebody hanging foot through the roof.
Mm-hmm.
If that's okay, she started resisting. This is basically what we got.
Oh, what's with the dude in the back
Yeah
seat?
man, I'm charging reckless. And he was the driver of the vehicle.
Okay, so who is she?
She was a passenger.
Oh, she's just a passenger?
She's,
What's this guy? Is he the driver?
yeah, he's just somebody else.
So he was just a passenger
So
too?
this is the driver.
Can somebody talk to the person?
So I'm gonna give him reckless. Because he was the one driving and tried to foot through the roof. Three people in front of the vehicle. She am a charge with obstruction.
Okay. Do what you gotta do. Alright, so what's up? You said you want to talk to somebody.
After all the life-ruining decisions, we genuinely thought that the situation was calming down. But that was when this officer would randomly hear a loud knocking sound in the background and would become extremely taken aback when he realized what it was.
I just want to, because I already know the situation that has transpired.
You break my window, it's another charge, felony charge.
Stop!
You got to pay
Fucking on. Stop playing with me.
If you break that window, it's a felony. Hey, if she breaks my window, she's gonna go to Fulton County with a fucking felony.
The officer, the female officer. Can you ask her to come here really quick, please?
What's going on, man?
Please.
What you need? What you need? What's your need her for?
Look. I get it. One is my sister's acting wild as. Can I please just?
No, stay right there.
Okay.
Aaron, don't say
I
anything.
promise. I'm not moving. I promise. I'm not moving.
What are y'all going to do with her tonight?
Oh, she's going to jail.
She's going to jail.
She's going to jail. She's in handcuffs. She's going to jail for obstruction. All right?
No.
But she breaks that window, she's going to get a felony.
Do you have a phone on you, sir? Your friend is going to get a charge.
A phone is going to... I'm not even...
Your friend is going to get a charge. I'm saying, do you have a phone on you?
I'm not talking on the phone.
Do you have a phone on you, sir?
I don't know.
You're in custody. You cannot have a phone on you. Do you have a phone on you? I'm going to check you out, take you out and search you properly. Stuff up on my shoes. So I'm going to search this one real good. Because this one, I hear him talking on a phone.
I'm not... I was talking to you.
Big man, don't talk too much, man.
I don't understand your English.
Can we?
You, this is all that I got.
Yeah. So you're going to go to jail for reckless. Because you're being reckless. Three people in front of the vehicle. Female with her foot sticking up through the roof of the vehicle. That's reckless. That's not safe driving.
Do you mind having a
Alright, so I'm going to put you to sit.
Find the phone that you looking
No, man, I'll put you to sit, man. Backside, yeah. I want to the man. Just sit down, the man, and work with them, I say.
I don't know what you saying.
Turn on, man.
Is it English?
Turn round.
Turn left, right, back.
Put your foot in that vehicle. Put your foot in the vehicle.
Whatever you trying to tell me.
Damn it, man. Well, I couldn't understand English.
What do it for me? Like, come on. I don't know.
Anyways, you need to test what you call your test.
I couldn't understand English, man. I want you, man.
About 10 minutes had passed by now and things had genuinely started looking like they were de-escalating. So one of the cops decided he would go and check on Miss Temper Tantrum. But not only would he learn that this was a mistake, but it would also start the chain reaction of events that would happen for the rest of this night. And in mere minutes, this woman would earn herself the charges that would ruin her life forever.
What's your name?
Beautiful. Huh? Beautiful. Huh?
What's your last name?
Beautiful, my mom. Why you pulling my brother? What you doing to my brother? I'm not about to answer no questions for you because y'all was wrong and what y'all did was wrong. I know it wasn't you. I know it wasn't you. My anger is not towards you. My anger is not towards you. My anger is not towards you. It was towards those offensive officers that reprimanded how they did me.
We'll keep that 85 rolling.
I was in the back seat. Like damn near 5 minutes later, we're on the way home. They pulled us over. They yanked me out the back seat. I don't play them type games, bruh. I'm from up north. I'm from that down. I'm not
Where you
from down
from?
south.
Where you from?
I'm not from down south.
Where you from
I
up
know
north?
how the law work up north. I'm from D.C.
Yeah.
Washington D.C.
I'm from
Please
Jersey.
understand. I know how the law work.
I'm from Jersey. Why you yelling?
Yeah.
Why you
No.
talking?
Because
talk to
I'm
me.
upset.
Talk to me.
Because a black officer
Mm-hmm.
unnecessarily reprimanded me. That's why I'm upset.
Okay.
So get me out.
Well, we're gonna grab her and put her over here. All right. All right. So we're gonna get this girl out. All right. I'm gonna have you search her. All right. Ask her if she's got any ID and everything. Because she might be a handful when we try and put her over here. You ready?
Huh?
You ready?
Let's get it.
I don't want you to touch me. I will walk out by myself. Do not put your arms on me at all.
Stand out. Get out of here.
Because you are aggressive. Back up. I can't know you can back up. You putting your arms on me. Look at him. Look at him. Look
You
at him.
are out of your
No,
face.
I'm not. I'm not, bro.
Put your
I'm
arms
not.
down. Put your
I'm
arms down.
okay. I am okay. Look at me. I'm okay.
Have this one.
I'm okay. What? I'm okay.
Oh, you know. Just stop. Just okay. I'm listening. Okay.
What's her name? What's her name?
Her name is Jasmine. We've been yelling it multiple times. You've heard it.
What's her last name?
Jazz, please just stop. Hold on. No. Please.
Jasmine last
Go
name?
right there. Go right there and please talk to her. Please talk to her. Go right there. Go right there. No.
If you can quiet her, you can go. You just don't interrupt the officer. But if you can quiet her, go. Go and quiet her.
Look.
Go. Can you quiet her?
I don't trust you.
Today, bitch, we can't. You want to be cuffs? You want to be cuffs next? Then sit the down. I'm tired of talking about this. Go sit down. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm looking at you.
If I gotta talk to you again about this, you will be in cuffs. You understand? If I have to talk to you about this again, you will be in cuffs.
Yeah, I got my arms out. Bitch, you ain't even know that. I'll pop you on your motherfucking shit, bored ass, clan ass nigga. You thought my shit, but my shit was out this whole time. I could have popped all of y'all in your motherfucking faces.
So you want a felony charge, huh?
I'm looking at you, okay?
I'm big calm. When I got out the car, he was being aggressive.
Okay, look.
This skinhead ass.
Okay.
He was being aggressive. You a racist
Look, I
ass
need you.
prick.
No, stop. Please. Okay, please.
Thank you.
Stop.
Thank you.
Please,
Whoever's pulling my
stop.
skirt
Please
down,
stop.
thank
Please
you.
stop. Please stop. You know,
Thank you.
I'm your brother, okay? I've had you all these years. Please stop. Just please stop, okay? Please stop. I got you. Oh, so, okay. I know. Okay, please just stop. Please, okay? Please, okay? Please. Jasmine, I can't go against them, okay? Please just stop.
I know you can't.
I will come and get you,
But
okay?
that skinhead ass
Okay,
motherfucker was
stop.
talking
Look at me and stop. I'm talking to you. Stop doing it.
My Lord,
Stop.
sue the out of him.
Shut up. Whatever we do after this, stop. We will do it, okay? Stop crying. I got you, okay?
My Lord, you really sue the out that motherfucker.
It's gonna be a white man in the back.
What? Y'all taking her? What?
Oh, that officer's gonna take her.
Okay.
Yeah, she's being arrested.
Okay, just be quiet. Just be quiet, please. Just be quiet. There's nothing that we can do in this
No,
situation.
not after she started fighting with that officer. She should have realized that before she started fighting with him.
That was before.
Okay, stop talking.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, look, I'm
She's
asking
being
you a
charged with
question. What question?
She's being charged with obstruction. Based on the fact that what she did with that officer.
You know that.
Okay.
You know he was
Stop
with a
talking.
voice
Stop.
on me.
I'm listening to
You
you.
know he was
Stop.
with a voice on me,
With
Darrell.
obstruction, she literally had her arms behind her back. So what did she do to obstruct you?
She was fighting with him. He could not even get her. She could not even get. He could not even get her other arm into a handcuff until we showed up. So yes, she was fighting with him. Everything's been on video. Okay, so she is going to jail for an obstruction charge.
Okay.
Okay, I wasn't here before until I showed up, and you guys were all sitting down here.
Okay, so who was actually here when this happened?
That officer.
Just that one.
Yes,
Just that one.
He was
Okay.
the one who had the other guy
Can I-
detained,
okay.
and he was fighting with her when we pulled up.
Okay. All right. Okay.
When you fight with an officer, you go to jail.
I get it. My sister is just mad.
Okay, I understand.
scared.
She's mad. She's irritated. She's drunk.
So
Okay, I understand
there's
that.
no way that I can just
No.
take her home.
No.
Please.
Going both together.
Yeah, they're riding in the same car together, going to the same place together. Hey, other side, because that guy's in there. But wait until she gets over here before you open the door.
Please run the cameras back first. I'm not going nowhere till they run the cameras back first. Run the cameras back first. Run the cameras back first. Because y'all know y'all was dead wrong on me. Run the cameras back.
But Cole got somebody else in there. He got the mail in there.
Yeah, that boy can travel together.
Oh, you want to put him in the car? All right, come on.
No, run the cameras back.
Come on.
Bro, I have an attorney.
No, that's not an option. One in the
What are y'all doing?
Jasmine, stop. Okay, just stop and just go. We will get stop. Okay. I'm not even trying to deal with you. And I was talking up.
Over here, now. Over here.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop.
You cannot.
Stop.
This is the reason why she's going to jail. Ooh. That's assault.
I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad. Put my shit in the car.
She had one, but now she's going to Fulton County for taking an officer. What do you want?
Key to the car. I know you're going to it, but can I get the key to the car?
You cannot have the keys to the car.
Can I get my purse? You get her purse.
You guys can get your property out of the car. That's not a problem.
You're taking the key.
Okay,
Wait,
where's
You're my phone.
Yeah, because it's got to.
I gave you your phone.
It's got to go with the tow truck.
Okay.
That's all.
Can I get my purse?
You can get whatever.
I have no idea where my purchase card is.
It's in Danny's car.
It's going to be in that car right over there.
It's in Danny's car.
Help her get her purse, please.
See how fast?
Johnny, no. Take her shit.
Well, tell me what car.
You're recording, bitch! Recording because y'all unnecessarily arresting me! You skinhead ass, racist ass motherfucker!
Oh,
You
good
racist
God.
as shit!
Jasmine.
You racist as shit! No, this motherfucker racist as shit! This racist ass motherfucker!
Stop.
Yeah, run it up, bitch!
Stop.
Run it up, bitch!
Stop.
Run it up, bitch!
Jasmine, stop.
Drive with the car. No.
Yeah, you You can get your stuff. Go get your stuff.
The Uber driver was eventually charged with reckless endangerment. And as for Our Lady of the Night, she was actually transported to the hospital just to see if there was anything physically wrong with her after all that fighting. After she was transported to county jail, she was finally booked on felony obstruction and 2 counts of simple battery against an officer. In just a few minutes of her life, because of her brain-dead decisions, she has now become a felon, which typically means she can't vote, own a firearm, or quite frankly, even have a good chance of employment ever again. But if we're being honest, I feel like there are a few undiagnosed personality disorders taking place here, so a psychiatrist may want to look into that. Subscribe for more content, and as always, this case has been decoded.